Renee here. Today we're going to make these cards from the workshop your way called Thinking of You. This particular card kit is really fun. It comes with this stamp set, which includes It's Okay to Not Be Okay and Thinking of You. Now, for the purpose of my cards, I did all of my cards as Thinking of You, and you'll see on the samples it has you do 2 different designs, 6 of each one. You have all the supplies you need, card bases, envelopes. You get a package of gold sequins, of course the stamp set, and the instructions, and all of the paper that you need. So what I have done is I've gone ahead and done all of my stamping. I have also cut all my paper. Now, the one thing that I'm going to do extra to show you is we are going to watercolor this using just the regular dye inks. This is the old style ink pads and a water brush. That's really all you need, except for maybe a paper towel just in case you get too much water. Not going to use a lot of water because this is just the regular White Daisy cardstock. It's not watercolor paper, but you're just putting a very small amount of color. So we're just going to use eggplant on the little berries, and then we're going to use New England ivy on all of the rest. So it should be pretty easy. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll go ahead and put the cards together. I have done quite a bit of the stamping already. This is 2nd generation stamping here, and then I just used 3 different colors. So this is sapphire, this is New England ivy, and then this is eggplant. So I will just go ahead and put on some music, put together the 2 cards, and then come back and talk about them. Okay, all done. And did you notice my guest who came and feng suede things for me?
Handsome hands.
He cracks me up. Yes, handsome hands. They can hear you, by the way. The camera microphone is that good. That was my husband. He was helping. I forgot to show you something else I did. On the stamp set that comes with the kit, it has these little scallops. I was just having a heck of a time getting them all to line up and look right. I'm sure there's a secret to it, or maybe it was just a bad day I don't know. But, so what I did instead was I pulled out the Charming Borders and used this one, and I think it really came out good because the way that it looks. It's very similar, just a little bit bigger than what that one would have been. So I think it works great. And there's that one. And then here's the other one. This one on the sample, it has a few sequins on this, but I think I'm going to leave it just very simple and leave it the way it is. So there are the two cards. This kit does make 12, 6 of each design. And if you have any questions, just leave them comment for me down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and have a great day.